If you want to quickly and easily trim your videos, well, let's use Adobe Creative Cloud Express to do so. So to trim a video, we need to add a video. In the home section, we need to go to where it says try quick action. Under the video tab, you can see the option for trim video. Once you've selected that, you can drag and drop your video into this editor here. Now, depending on the size of your video, it might take a minute to upload, but this is where you can trim it. So there's a few options. You can preview your video, and in the bar below, this is where you can really edit and trim your video freely. So if you want to start your video a bit further on, you can just drag it and you can see the timer counting down. Press play and it starts from that point, or you can shorten your video at the same time. So if you drag that backwards, again, you can see the timer going down, which means your video is getting shorter. Let's see what that looks like. 1 second, really quick and easy. You could manually add the start and end time, as you can see the two boxes. You can also change the size of this video, so you can adjust it for landscape, portrait, or square. That's what it looks like on portrait, and it also depends on what platform that you're sharing this to. You have the option to fill the screen, or you can even mute it. But once you hit download, it processes your video for you. Let it do its magic once again, and once it's been downloaded, it'll be in your downloads or wherever you save your files to. Open it, and there you go. You've trimmed your video really easy.